Don't be shy, just ask.
Hey guys, so this is just a really quick, cute video that you're gonna see. This is what happens to boxes at my house because I have this guy who's my destructo boy. And so this is the box before. That's my dog. Don't let him bother you. And I'm gonna show you what happens when he's done with it. And usually it only takes about not even 24 hours. Of course, before I put this in the cages, I remove the stickers and anything that might be, you know, contaminated. If there's any big spills or anything on it, obviously I don't use it. But before I put it in, I'm gonna remove all the stickers. Also, das ist jetzt vorher, bevor das Unwetter, das Gewitter kommt, die Zerstörung beginnt. Jetzt sagen wir einfach mal, dass das jetzt hier sauber ist. Okay. Viel Spaß. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. Uh-oh. Somebody got out. Who got out? You got out? Yeah, Milo. Did you get out? Well, I guess then Zero can come out too. And Zero can come out too. Hello? Hello? I know. Hi, guys. Okay, well, I put the box in. As you can see, I didn't get the sticker off all the way, but... Uh-oh, Milo sees the box. Milo sees the box. Yes. All right, the box is in. And as you can see, the master is starting his work right away. He's getting to it. He loves shredding boxes. And Zero got out. That's okay. Hello. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to tell you, it's going to be carnage. Well, they decided to play first. Did you guys decide to play first? Milo's being cute. Okay, so I'm back the next morning. And here's Zero. And here's Milo, the Destructo. And as you can see, the box is gone. And if you look underneath, it is in teeny tiny pieces underneath. Okay, as you can see, I think it's safe to say that I do not need a shredder. I have little tiny pieces, bite-sized pieces with little beak marks on it. And yes, see, the carton is gone, the box is gone. Milo had fun, and yeah, so that's what happens to a box in my house. Isn't it amazing? Oh, look at this, a nice pretty feather. And if you think that wood sticks are safe, you are mistaken, because it's the same thing that happens. I put a 2x4 in here about a day or two ago, and this is how it ends up. Lots of teeny tiny pieces. So bird toys, expensive bird toys, last about 2 days. So I just go to your home improvement store and buy a 2x4 pine untreated and literally put the whole thing in there. And he just goes to town. Have a good weekend, you guys. Milo, say goodbye. Zero, have a good weekend. Bye-bye.